Here are the top losers and gainers on June 9, 2022. As the market closed last night, there were top tickers with max loss and gain. Here are the top 10 losers and top 5 gainers. Brought to you by Core. Let's begin with top 10 losers. Number 1, Cerberus Cyber Sentinel Corporation, ticker CISO, negative 42.59% change. Cerberus Cyber Sentinel Corporation operates as a security services company in the United States. Why is it moving? Cerberus Cyber Sentinel Corporation shares are trading higher. Not seeing company-specific news from the session. Number 2, Integrated Media Technology Limited, ticker IMTE, negative 27.4% change. Integrated Media Technology Limited develops, sells, and distributes 3D autostereoscopic display technology products and services in Australia, Hong Kong, and China. Why is it moving? Integrated Media Technology Limited shares are trading lower. Not seeing company-specific news from the session. Number 3, PagSeguro Digital Limited, ticker PAGS, negative 23.81% change. PagSeguro Digital Limited provides financial technology solutions and services for micro merchants and small and medium-sized businesses in Brazil and internationally. Why is it moving? PagSeguro Digital shares are trading lower after the company reported total assets of REAIS 33.8 million. Also, Wells Fargo maintained an equal weight rating on the stock and lowered its price target from $23 to $21. Number 4, Forge Global Holdings Incorporated, ticker FRGE, negative 21.75% change. Forge Global Holdings Incorporated provides marketplace infrastructure, data services, and technology solutions for private market participants. Why is it moving? Forge Global Holdings shares are trading higher. Not seeing company-specific news from the session. Number 5, Amphastar Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, ticker AMPH, negative 21.15% change. Amphastar Pharmaceuticals Incorporated engages in the development, manufacture, market, and sale of technically challenging and proprietary injectable, inhalation, and intranasal products. Why is it moving? Amphastar Pharmaceuticals shares are trading higher after Piper Sandler upgraded the stock from neutral to overweight and raised its price target from $21 to $28. Number 6, Energy Vault Holdings Incorporated, ticker NRGV, negative 20.95% change. Energy Vault Holdings Incorporated develops and sells energy storage solutions. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial space are trading lower amid overall market weakness as stocks continue to sell off following last week's Fed rate hike decision. Number 7, Skillsoft Corporation, ticker symbol SKIL, negative 19.24% change. Skillsoft is the global leader in corporate digital learning, serving approximately 70% of the Fortune 1000 customers in over 160 countries, and more than 45 million learners globally. Why is it moving? Skillsoft shares are trading lower after the company reported worse than expected Q1 sales results. Number 8, Zeta Global Holdings Corporation, ticker symbol ZETA, negative 18.59% change. Zeta's mission is to enable enterprise businesses to accelerate growth by leveraging Zeta's proprietary data and predictive artificial intelligence to acquire, grow and retain consumer relationships. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader technology space are trading lower amid a continued sell-off in stocks. The sector is also under pressure following Snap's Q2 warning. Number 9, Youdao Incorporated, ticker symbol DAO, negative 17.92% change. Youdao makes learning happen. For over a decade, Youdao has developed and used technologies to provide learning content, applications and solutions to users of all ages. Why is it moving? Shares of several Chinese stocks are trading higher after Chinese regulators completed their investigation of ride-hailing company Didi with a seemingly positive outcome. And number 10, Novavax Incorporated, ticker NVAX, negative 17.13% change. Novavax Incorporated operates as a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, which engages in the provision of development of recombinant nanoparticle vaccines and adjuvants. Why is it moving? Novavax shares are trading lower following reports that the FDA's decision on the company's COVID-19 vaccine could be delayed to review manufacturing changes. Here are the top 5 gainers. Number 1, Greif Incorporated, ticker GEF, positive 5.14% change. Greif Incorporated is engaged in the production of industrial packaging products and services. Why is it moving? Greif shares are trading higher after the company reported better than expected Q2 adjusted EPS and sales results and issued financial year 22 adjusted EPS guidance above analyst estimates. Number 2, Hillenbrand Incorporated, ticker symbol HI, positive 1.33% change. Hillenbrand Incorporated engages in the development, manufacture, and sale of engineered industrial equipment. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader industrial sector are trading lower amid overall market weakness as Russia-Ukraine escalation weighs on market sentiment. Number 3, Full Truck Alliance Company Limited, ticker symbol YMM, positive 1.04% change. Full Truck Alliance Company Limited, together with its subsidiaries, operates a digital freight platform that connects shippers with truckers to facilitate shipments across distance ranges, cargo weights, and types in the People's Republic of China. Why is it moving? Full Truck Alliance Company shares are trading higher after the company reported Q1 earnings. Number 4, Nordstrom Incorporated, ticker symbol JWN, positive 0.79% change. Nordstrom Incorporated engages in the manufacture and trade of clothes, shoes, and accessories. Why is it moving? Shares of several companies in the broader consumer discretionary sector are trading higher amid overall market strength as stocks continue to rebound following recent weakness across equity markets. And number 5, PIMCO Active Bond Exchange Traded Fund, ticker symbol BOND, positive 0.04% change. The fund normally invests at least 80% of its assets in a diversified portfolio of fixed income instruments of varying maturities, which may be represented by forwards or derivatives such as options, futures contracts, or swap agreement. Why is it moving? Shares of several real estate companies are trading lower amid market weakness as the coronavirus pandemic continues to take its toll on the economy. The virus has made it more difficult to look at and invest in real estate. That was the roundup of top tickers with max loss and gain. We hope you found this interesting. You can head over to Core anytime and search your favorite stock and see why it moved. Which is not only a free stock portfolio monitoring software, but also where you can find analysis comments, stock news, and more. If you benefited from this video, hit subscribe, leave a comment and give it the thumbs up. Have a suggestion? Let us know. Thanks for watching.